At Jewelry by Johan, we offer a variety of ring designs featuring unique material inlays, and because of this, most of our rings cannot be resized, so it is very important to order your ring in the correct size. To make it easier to determine your correct size, we offer two types of sizing options. One option is our blue sizing kit. Our blue sizing kit has a set of 4mm wide sizers in sizes 2.5 to 14, including half sizes. It is the most accurate if you're ordering a ring that is 2 to 4 millimeters wide. You just pop and twist out the ring or rings like I've already done here, and try it on to find the one that fits best. Fit is definitely subjective, but a good rule is that the ring can spin while on your finger and requires a little bit of effort to remove over your knuckles. We also offer custom, made-to-order sizers in a variety of ring sizes and widths. Because wider ring widths greatly impact size, our custom sizers are the most accurate sizer option if your ring is wider than 4mm, which is the case for most men's wedding bands. We often get asked why we offer both options, and now we'll show you why. Here we have a blue sizer in size 6. And this is a finished ring in the same size and width. You can see that both have a perfect fit. Again, fit is a matter of personal preference, but in most cases, you'll want it to be slightly snug going over the knuckle. Now, based on the blue sizer, you are a size 6, and this band here is also a size 6, but it definitely doesn't fit correctly. This is because the larger ring width significantly impacts size and comfort. If we try this 8mm wide custom sizer in a size 6, we can see right away that it's too tight. But when we try this 8mm wide custom sizer in a size 6.5, we can see that the slightly larger size fits much more comfortably. In this case, the custom sizer provides more of an accurate determination of size. To summarize, if you're ordering a ring that's 2 to 4 millimeters wide, you can use our blue sizing kit to determine your ring size. If you're ordering a ring that's 5mm or wider, order a custom sizer in the size and width of your desired ring. If you're ordering a wider ring but have no idea what ring size you are, first order our blue sizing kit to get an estimated size. We hope that you found this video helpful, and we can't wait to get started on the creation of your ring.